But it's decorative rawhide. Did you know your dog treats could be used as decoration?
No, really?
It's straight up rawhide for
kelp.
sure.
Oh, kelp. Them.
Promise me that in some styling or staging that you do, you will put like arranged dog treats in a bowl as decoration.
Like the ones that are rolled up in like the scrolls.
Get your dogs to chew the ends a little bit and then shove them back into the bowl. They're eco-friendly. You know, they haven't been torn off of the actual back of a turtle.
Oh.
Thomas is not gonna love that I came here. It's like the perfect dead position, like the, you know what I'm saying?
Oh.
Whole sconce section,
Ooh, I love this.
like a runway. Giant legs, you know, like giant.
Restaurant.
There's men's clothes, women's clothes, stationery, custom stationery, perfume, shoes,
Candles, lots of candles.
plants, pots, outdoor furniture, indoor furniture, mirrors, like
I can think of one thing that they're missing though.
what? Some Buc-ee's jerky?
Yes!
It's the kind of fabric that my legs deserve to be laying on, you know what I mean? Just like, all right, that's enough of that.